Hey there! Today we're building an FAQ accordion screen using the Ionic Design Kit. If your app includes a help section or a knowledge base, this screen can really cut down on support tickets and give users quick, clear answers right when they need them. Let's get to it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. As always, pause the video if you want to take a closer look at anything. So, what makes a good FAQ screen? It's all about keeping things organized and easy to navigate. An FAQ section is where users turn when they need quick answers, so clarity and structure are key. Instead of dumping all the information at once, accordion-style layouts let users tap to expand only the questions they care about. Whether you're building a support center, an onboarding guide, or a product knowledge base, an intuitive FAQ screen can really boost user satisfaction and cut down on unnecessary support requests. Now, when it comes to building that experience quickly and cleanly, the Ionic Design Kit makes all the difference. It comes with ready-made accordion components, icons, and transitions that you can simply drop into your design. No need to build from scratch or write complicated code. Everything aligns with the Ionic framework, so it's seamless for both designers and developers. The result? Faster workflows, consistent design, and more time to focus on what matters, creating a better app experience. For code snippets and instructions, head over to our website. If you're aiming to deliver helpful, user-friendly support without overcomplicating your app, the Ionic Design Kit is the way to go. Thanks for hanging out. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it around, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.